we? Berlin? No.
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
The other one.
Okay, I'm Sophie Matthews-Paul of Output Magazine, and I'm here to talk print with Ronen Zioni, who's Marketing Director of GSB at Hewlett-Packard HP. Ronen, we're back at FESPA. This is your second FESPA in 8 months. How have you seen the trends change and the overall thoughts on the industry since the last FESPA digital show?
Hi, Sophie, first of all. Yes, I think that what we see in the industry mainly is that the application, the breadth of the application is expanding from signage only into other applications, which goes in the direction of textiles, more in the direction of wall covering, and going beyond the traditional signage. We see that happening. Obviously, we are taking a leadership position on that. And our booth is really designed this year in a very different way than previous years, where customers and visitors can come and get the experience of the applications before they even look at the machines. And we try to create that in order to really differentiate and create a more interest and more education to the end users and to the visitors to get to know all the different possibilities that latex solutions has to offer and UV solutions has to offer. So I welcome everyone to the booth and get this experience.
Ronen, this is going to be pretty topical. We're very aware of the fact that we have a new latex printer here that is not an HP printer. We're going to see more of this kind of technology coming out, I'm sure. How's HP going to tackle this?
Well, I think we're not surprised. We're not surprised to see new latex printers coming up and popping up in the field. With the greatest respect to Mimaki, we are very confident about our technology, our experience. In fact, we introduced latex, as you well know, back in 2008 in Drupa. Since then, we sold more than 9,000 units around the world. And we actually invented latex. So actually, we are very pleased to see that even our competitors are using the word latex to name their products. This gives us a good level of confidence. We are very confident in our position, and it only makes us more certain that we pick the right avenue of converting solvent into more green and sustainable solutions that latex represents. So I think we will have to wait and see how the solutions really work, what the experienced customers are having with those new solutions in the market. I believe competition is good, and I think days will tell. But certainly the industry, what is clear, the industry is going into the direction of more green, sustainable solutions. And knowing that we are in the leadership position makes us feel very comfortable and very confident in what we're doing.
So since the last FESPA, which isn't that long ago, we're seeing market shifts and market changes. What do you see are the emerging sectors that are going to be affecting us in the future?
Well, I mean, we in HP take the emerging markets and emerging countries very seriously. We believe that a big part of the African countries will deliver significant growth. We believe that a lot will come from the Middle East, and we're putting a lot of resource and coverage into those regions in order to reach a broader audience. Definitely, we're planning on getting latex to become more mainstream in those areas, but not only. So it's a graphic division initiative. It's not just for large format, but we are certain that we need to focus in those areas as the growth is taking place there, and we need to be participating and leading it.
So Ronen, I see it like we have a kind of triangle at the moment, and we have HP on one angle, and we have brand owners and agencies on the second angle, and we have the PSPs on the third. But there's a gap. How can we bridge the gap to make sure everybody is aware of what they can do and how they can achieve it?
Our relationship with the customer basically starts when they buy the machine. This is when it starts. This is when they make the decision to go into new applications, new market, new opportunities. the gap that we see is getting their customers, their end customers, whether it's the brand owner or the advertising agencies that create the campaigns, to know what is available, what are the possibilities, what are their suppliers are capable of doing. And this is where we decided to take, again, a leadership position there and not to wait for it to happen. And we are engaging directly with brand owners, with agencies, providing them with seminars, case studies, understanding of applications, visits to production sites, so they get a very good feel of what is available. And we believe that if we do that, we will actually help the demand generation to grow. So rather than the push strategy when we sell hardware, this is the pull strategy, pull marketing strategy, where we want to create demand for more applications and more understanding of what our technology is able to do. And I believe if we do that, we will make a significant change in the industry.
Thank you very much for talking print, to talk print, and to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I've been on my knees.
Amazing.
I've been on my knees with network cable for 4 days.
No, you need to come.
I will.